Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic 6 Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Now let's tap on More Settings and tap on Install Apps from External Sources. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and we can simply change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, and be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.